In today's video, I will walk you through how to delete a Shopify store. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. You can access Shopify through the official Shopify platform and manage your store settings from the Shopify admin area. Once you are signed into your account, you will be able to control whether the store stays active, becomes inactive, or gets transferred to another owner. Before deleting anything, it is important to understand that deactivating a Shopify store affects the entire account connected to that store. This includes products, customer information, store settings, and other data associated with the business. Because of that, you should take a moment to make sure you no longer need access to the information stored inside the account. If you are no longer planning to use your Shopify store, this guide will walk you through the process. To begin the process, go into your Shopify admin dashboard. From there, navigate to the Settings section. This area contains the main controls for your Shopify account, including subscription plans, billing settings, and ownership management. Once you are inside Settings, locate the section related to your current Shopify plan. This is where Shopify allows you to manage your active membership. Depending on your account type, you may see options for canceling a subscription, deactivating a trial, or ending your current plan. When you choose to cancel or deactivate the subscription, Shopify will begin the process of making the store inactive. The store will remain active until the current subscription period ends, and after that, the account will no longer operate as an active Shopify store. This is the primary method Shopify uses for disabling or removing access to a store account. Before confirming the cancellation, it is a good idea to review any files, product details, or information you may still want to keep. Since deleting or deactivating the store impacts your saved content, checking everything beforehand can help avoid losing important information later. So if you want to permanently stop using the store, canceling the subscription through the plans section is the option to use. If someone else will continue running the business, transferring ownership may be the better choice. And that is the complete process for deleting a Shopify store account. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.